Question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and the semicircle at the end of as shown in the diagram. This is a total garden area, okay, and it is middle rectangular shape and both end points are in semicircle form. From the find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So we are asked to find the area and perimeter of this garden. First of all, we will find the length, but this is not the length. 20 meter is the total area and 7 is this much. Okay, so breadth we have, but we want to find the length. So length of rectangle is given as a hint, 20 minus this 2 radius. As you know that the ending points, this is semicircle, okay, so radius will be how much? This is diameter, okay, the 7 meter, so its radius will be 3.5, okay. So this much from the left side also and this much from the other side. So for this from the other side also, okay, if we break the figure, so 3.5. So total they have given 20, from here to here they have given 20 meters, and out of this 20 meters we need to reduce both this side. So total length of this rectangle, we will get length of rectangle is equal to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meter. That means 20 minus 7 meter, it will be 13 meters. Okay. Now breadth already given, this much is, this is the breadth, so 7 meter. Rectangle 7 meter. So we can find the perimeter also and area also. Okay. So area of rectangular garden is equal to L into B. So 13 meter into 7 meter. So it will be 91 meter square. So now we want to find this much, we have already completed. Now we want to find the area of these two sides. Two semicircle means one circle. Okay. So area of two semicircle. So 2 multiplied by semicircle का फॉर्मूला कौन सा होता है? 2 pi r divided by 2. तो 2 get cancel. So 2 pi r, that is area of two semicircle मतलब equal to one circle. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7, clear, into radius is 35. Okay. How much? Radius is 30, सॉरी माफ करना, एरिया निकालना है, तो पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके, पाई आर स्क्वायर, बिकॉज 2 ऑलरेडी कैंसिल, 2 टाइम था ना, तो पाई आर स्क्वायर इज अ फॉर्मूला, और 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 तो, और 2 सेमी सर्कल इसका 2 था तो कट हो गया. सो 22 रेडियस इज 3.5 means 35 by 10 multiplied by 35 by 10 meter square. We can cancel it out. 7 1 जा 7 5 जा, again cut हो सकता है. 5 1 जा 5 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 11 जा. So 11 into 35 divided by 10 meter square, and you will get the answer is 38.5 meter square. So total area of the garden, total area of garden is equal to 91 meter square plus 38.5 meter square. So it will be 129.5 meter square. Clear? Now we want to find the perimeter of this figure also. Continue here that this perimeter of this figure means totally boundary area. So we are not going to calculate this one and this one. We want to, this means rotation in this shape. Okay, so we directly cannot find the perimeter of this semicircle and this one. So first of all we will find rectangle and perimeter of semicircle. So perimeter of semicircle, how many semicircles are there? 2. So semicircle का फॉर्मूला 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सेमीसर्कल का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 by r, okay, divided by 2. So 2 get cancel. So 2 pi r for the semicircle of this 2. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. I will write 35 by 10. 7 1 za, 7 5 za, 5 1 za, 5 2 za, 2 1 za, 2 1 za. So it will be 22 meters. Okay. So this much perimeter means we have found, this much also we have found. Now we want to just add these two part. Okay, so this is 13, this is 13. The total ये दोनों का मिल गया है. So how much total perimeter of garden is equal to 22 meter plus 13 meter plus 13 meter. So it will be 22 plus इन दोनों का ऐड करेंगे तो 26 meter. So in all 48 meter is the perimeter of the garden. Hope so clear to everyone. These types of questions are lengthy but it's very easy to solve if we go step by step.